Hey, glad you're interested in my newsletter agent. This is a bit of an upgrade compared to the one that I shared in Lindy's demo day. And if you'd like to stay up to date with improvements on this particular agent, or that I let you know whenever I have a new workflow or agent related to content creation, marketing, and growth, just drop down your email in the sign up form below and I'll make sure to let you know. So without further ado, this is how the agent is set up. We got a recurring schedule, so every day at 9 a.m. it's going to run the whole workflow. The second step is taking a list of RSS feeds that I've placed inside this sheet over here. The whole team of the newsletter is artificial intelligence, and the RSS feeds have been set up using rss.app. Here you can select newsletters or even add websites and build your RSS feed, and then you can customize it. For example, here I have a filter for auto hiding posts that are older than 2 days. And of course, you can customize this newsletter for your industry, whichever that is. You can build with this tool, and then you just need, or you could even use another RSS feed tool, as long as you're dropping in the links here and you particularly prompt this step and customize the newsletter scraper agent to make sure it's getting the right links. So once that is done, we get a spreadsheet which contains the list of news that have been used on the previous days. So we make sure not to use duplicate news. In this case here, the agent has this as the first step, duplicate prevention. Second step is processing the RSS feeds and extracting news. It has some specific criteria, and then it does some news analysis. And step number 4, we do some scoring. In this case, we are looking for viral news that are newsworthy for an AI avatar video, and also for a newsletter and LinkedIn posts. So I came up with these criteria, but you're more than welcome to customize it. In some of these sections, I'm adding my audience, so make sure to keep that consistent to the audience that you're targeting. Then on step number 5, we have some quality assurance, and then we have the specific output format that we want. And in the following step, we're appending those rows over here from date to work application. So we can use it in the news lead magnet agent step. So phase 1 is done. Next, phase 2, we're creating the lead magnet. So it takes the top 3 news and it creates this lead magnet. We got the news, source, URL, professional application guide, an implementation plan, and also some call to actions and links to your newsletter and your LinkedIn. Make sure to customize that. So we can move on to the next step. But before, here's a quick tip. If you prefer using no-show pages, you can simply copy and paste it, and there you go. It's done. We got that set up on Notion, and you can share the link. So phase 3, we create the video production assets. So first, we come up with a video script. I'm using this structure for over 2 months now. It has been working so far for the type of content that we're creating, which is short form content, but feel free to customize that to your needs. Then we got the voiceover guidelines, which I'm going to show you how that works and how to implement that inside HeyGen. And then the next step is coming up with the B-roll search terms. So our agent can go inside Paxos and look for the specific search terms that are related to the script that has been written. Then some production notes. Again, feel free to customize this prompt so it is adjusted to your needs. After that is done, our agent is the next agent is going to scrape B-roll content from Paxos and add all of that inside our main script file. So we're going to have the main script, complete video, voiceover guidelines, and B-roll footage. That looks like this. We got the complete video script, voiceover guidelines, and links to Pexels where you can download the videos. So next we are going to add that inside HeyGen so I can show you how it works. So over here I already pasted the hook section and what happened. So what you should do is copy and paste this and then go to voice director, paste it in and hit apply to this scene. If you click apply to this voice, it's going to apply to all the scenes that you have using that specific voice. So click apply to this scene and you repeat that process until you got your whole script set up. For the sake of time, I'm not going to paste the whole script, but you can get the idea by basically adding multiple scenes and then pasting those sections. You're going to have voice that is more human and customized to pronouncing your script in a way that feels more like a human. So continuing the automation, we add context before creating the LinkedIn and the newsletter content. And for that, I'm using a tone of voice / persona doc that I created. You can prompt with any AI tool that you use. Just add your content from LinkedIn or other places that you have created content so far to extract your core identity, writing style and tone, and come up with overall content guidelines for helping these two agents use that content as context for you. So first we create the LinkedIn post and then the newsletter post, and then we put it all together in a single Google Doc with this particular prompt. That looks like this. So we got a LinkedIn post over here. It has a call to action so we can send our lead magnet, and we got also the newsletter that contains the top 3 AI news. It has an AI insight, some tools and resources, next steps, and how you could apply the news that you just read to your day-to-day work. And it also links the lead magnet that you had just created in the previous step. So after that is done, we append the rows to this last sheet. So we got Oracle Meta 20 billion AI deal, and our script is also about Oracle Meta 20 billion AI deal. So that's it. This is how it works. Feel free to customize it. We got plenty of places throughout the agent that you could fine-tune it to your use case. Again, you could also make this newsletter agent about your specific industry. You just need to create the RSS feeds and update the links. And everything is going to be inside the same Notion doc, so you can extract all the prompts and customize it. You can replicate the spreadsheet that I'm using and also the other Google Docs that have been used throughout this agent. So feel free to send me any questions over on LinkedIn, and